This is NAVITEL T757, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check how much random access memory you have on this device. So first on the agenda is to enable the developer options, which you can do by going for Settings, then About Tablet. In here you will need to continuously tap at the build number quite a few times until you will receive "You are now a developer" message. Then get back to the main settings page and enter the system category this time. In here, as you can see, very conveniently the developer options section appeared, so open it or enter it. And in here in the memory section you can see how many gigabytes you have as per random access memory. In my case that's 3 total gigabytes of RAM. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.